Hi everyone and welcome back for this new video, and today it's an unboxing. Yes guys, unboxing time, let's go. Hi everyone, and for those who do not know me, I'm bag passionate, a French bag collector, fashion lover, and above all, Longchamp addict. Welcome to my channel. I do videos both in English and French, my mother language, so please enjoy them, and if my contents please you, please do not forget to subscribe. If you are a returning viewer, subby, thanks a million for your support. Love you guys. So yes, without further ado, today let me show you the bag, because yes, it's a bag. Oh, sorry for the light. Once again, since everything white, my lights are going crazy. My apologize. So yes, as I told you, without further ado, I will unbox this bag. And maybe some of you can guess what I bought. And every time I am thinking about it, I told myself, yes, you made the right decision. I will explain you, of course, why I'm thinking that way. So let me unbox it. Don't be surprised, guys, but yes, I got another Longchamp Foulonné tote bag M size, and this time I got the caramel brown color. I said this time because I already have this bag in black. I will link below the unboxing of the black one. Guys, I know I made the right decision because since I've got my black one, I'm crazy about it. It's so useful and practical. I will write the dimension of this bag. And for those who do not know, but this bag is no more available. Wait a minute, I'll explain. In fact, this bag is still available in Longchamp boutique, who still have stocks, but you cannot find it on the Longchamp website. If the boutique have a stock, they will sell it unless they do not have any more. So maybe if this bag interests you, you have a chance to find it in a Longchamp boutique, or every mall which have several brands and have Longchamp stock, maybe you can find one. So it's maybe weird to show you a bag that is no more sold on Longchamp website, but this bag for me is one of their best. Seriously, it's a traditional tote bag with two handles. You have a zip closure so it can secure your item. What I love with this bag is that, as you can tell, it comes with a strap. Here are the ring, and here is the strap. So the strap is removable, and I do love this system to put your strap on the bag, and the strap is adjustable. And the strap, I forgot to mention, but the strap is full in leather. And inside the bag, just to finish the full description, you've got one main compartment. Inside is the traditional ribbon jacquard. You've got a big zip flap pocket on one side, and on the other side you have just a flap pocket, which is also gigantic. I love the fact that it's one main compartment because seriously, you win a lot of space for your item. I have done also a review concerning this bag, concerning the fact that for me, it's reached nearly the perfection. The only thing which is missing is the keychain. But other than that, this bag reached for me the perfection. And that's the reason why I am so satisfied of my black one that I was really thinking of another color. Because for those who do not know, I'm French and I am based in Provence, the south of France. And let's be honest, black bag, you can wear it all year long. But in Provence, most people do not use black bag in summer, spring, summertime, and even begin of fall. We love colors, and I know that I will not enjoy my black bag during this time. So that's the reason why I was thinking, yes, it may be a great idea, since the bag is great, to add another color. And I have contacted my boutique in my area to see if they still have this bag, and the nearest boutique, they still have this brown color and a turtle dove color. I will show you what is turtle dove for those who do not know. This is the turtle dove color. So I got the choice to have either the brown or the turtle dove color. And I have to say, even if I love turtle dove, I don't see myself wearing a big bag in this color. I don't know, because this one I have a really big use of it and I love the color, but I went for the brown for the tote bag. I think for me it was so chic, so elegant, that I choose this color, and the more I am looking at it, the more I like it. And once again, I repeat myself, but I seriously do not understand why Longchamp stopped this bag and replace it with, you know, the trapezoidal, because this is, yes, I'm talking right now. Where I am living, I saw no one with the trapezoidal. I know that the trapezoidal is a success abroad. I already have some information, but in my area, it's not a bag which is sell a lot. So please write me if you are in a country or in another place in France and you see the latest Foulonné bag from Longchamp, the trapezoidal one. Please write me, because I'm very curious to know if this bag has a success. To be honest, this one is really much more practical, and I know this shape is perfect for me, and later in the future I will not get bored with this shape. And that's also the reason why I take it. It's classical, yes, but you know, I can put a twilly, I can decorate it with keychain, with bag charms and chains and so on, and this is a vibe actually. And that's also the reason why a lot of designer brands are making those kind of bag, and that's strange that Longchamp stopped it, because if you are looking at Coach, if you are looking at Marc Jacob, and even Lancel, a big French brand, they are just launching this type of bag. So that's a funny decision from Longchamp, but I respect, it's their decision. But concerning myself, yes, I am so happy to have added the same bag but in brown color. I know I can use it all year long, and in summer, spring, summertime, it will be okay to have a brown bag in my area. For information, this bag I paid 460 euro, and in American dollar, if I remember well, it was 550 American dollars. It's a good price for an all leather tote bag with this dimension. I do not regret buying it. I know I will use it. I also took my black one for the evening. It was great because I can place, you know, a little blazer or something else, and when it's colder, I can wear it because I've got space to have it with me. So seriously, it's a great bag. And yes, this is an unboxing. It was on my wish list, on my Longchamp wish list. If you haven't seen my video concerning my Longchamp wish list, have a look. I can make a mark on it, it's okay, I buy it. I don't think I will buy everything from my list, but yes, I'm seriously thinking about other things. Guys, if you have any question concerning this item, write me in the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer you. And thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned, more videos are coming, and I do repeat because yes, I look at my numbers of subbies, but I am soon at 2,000 subbies. So guys, I encourage you, if you want to support my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, go and help me reach 2K. It will be great. So thanks in advance. Till the next video, take care. Love you guys. Bye bye.